naman, Sir RD, yung mga tips na maipapayo mo sa mga nag-i-e-com na gusto nang sumuko at nawawala ng pag-asa?
A lot of people not getting result, not getting the success that they want simply because they're just doing their best. Kasi ginawa lang nila yung best nila. If you will take extra mile to know what is required, no matter what mood you have, because you know that this is the requirements, no matter how much I feel, no matter how demotivated I am today, I will reach for it.
Sabihin, Sir RD, hindi lang dapat best ang binibigay nila. So, kumbaga, hindi sila naging successful kasi binigay lang nila yung best nila. Ito yung requirement sa, para ma-reach yung mga goals.
And surprisingly, not all people are willing to do what is required.
So, ibig sabihin, Sir RD, ang may iwan mo sa ating mga ka-EV viewers na gusto maging successful sa pag-e-commerce at nawawala ng pag-asa is not do their best, but do what is required. Tama ba?
Definitely.